back to another tutorial session. Today we are going to be creating a unique style, sourcing inspiration from these different styles. Oh yeah, it's going to be quite exciting. Alright then, so the first thing you're going to do is that you create your basic gown, your simple gown. Yeah, you know how to do that. You first of all mark your vertical measurements, then your horizontal measurement. You should know how to make your simple gown. Okay. Okay, for the front side, I'll be sourcing inspiration from this. Okay, I believe the video is quite self-explanatory, but if you have any questions or you need any clarification, you can ask your questions in the comment section and I'll be sure to respond to them. But I need to point out something. I want to create that dot. I don't know what the name of that manipulation, what is called right now, but that's what I want to create. And to create that, you first of all, per usual, you mark your dot space. Mine is 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. I marked it all around. After marking it, on the neckline, that's what I want to explain. On the neckline, you come in by how many inches you want, however wide you want the material in the center to be. I want mine at the neckline to be 3 inches, so I came in by 1.5. So when you open it up, it's going to be 3 inches. Another thing I want to point out is you notice at the hip, instead of using 3.5, which is my dart space, I use 4 inches because I want the dart to have a certain curve. I don't even understand. That's why I use 4 inches at the hip, and that's why the dart I'm creating looks a bit slanty. That's what I want to explain.